Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Roblox Studio 2025 and loading a baseplate. You need Explorer and Properties visible, enable Context Action Service and Tween Service. Once done, create a screen GUI in Starter GUI and add a frame for the menu background. Make sure to set anchor point and size to fit multiple resolutions. This ensures consistent layout on mobile and desktop. Next, add text buttons for play, settings, and exit. Name objects clearly so scripts reference them without confusion. Now implement interactivity. Insert a local script under Screen GUI and get references to the text buttons. Use mouse button one click to call Play Game, Open Settings, and Quit Game functions. Inside Play Game, hide the menu with Tween Service and enable player controls. This keeps a smooth handoff from UI to gameplay. For settings, populate sliders and toggles that write to player scripts or data store. Make sure audio, click SFX, and focus changes are handled to give instant feedback to the user. Finish by polishing visuals and testing across Play Solo and mobile emulators. Confirm size and anchor point scale correctly. Hook up data store saves for settings and ensure scripts read values on player added. Once done, add a loading state to prevent input during scene transitions. If the menu fails to appear, first confirm Starter GUI contains the Screen GUI and that the script is a local script, not a server script. Also check for runtime errors in the output window. Fixing the first error usually restores behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.